Let's do this question. Kevin tossed a coin 10 times and he got head 5 times. We have to find the probability of getting a head. Also, if Kevin tosses the same coin 100 times, how many times would he get a head? Let's discuss the approach for doing this question. If we consider EH as the event of getting a head on tossing a coin, then probability of EH will be number of times head appeared divided by number of times the coin was tossed. So probability of EH here will be equal to number of times head appeared was 5 times. So we will have 5 here divided by number of times the coin was tossed was 10 times. This is 10. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of EH here is 0.5. From here, can we say that if Kevin tosses a coin 100 times, he will get head 50 times? And probability of EH is equal to 50 by 100 equal to 0.5. Is this possible? Well, if we toss the coin 100 times, it is quite possible we can get the head 45 times, 51 times or 60 times. So on tossing a coin 100 times, we cannot say that we will get exactly 50 heads. Though what we can say is probability of getting the head 50 times on 100 tosses of a coin is very high. So here we have collected some data by actually performing the experiment. In the first row we have number of trials. So we have 10, 20, 50 until 10,000 trials. And in each trial we have noted what is the outcome. Is it head or tails? And we have obtained this data. For 10 trials number of head is 5. For 20 it is 11. And likewise for 10,000 trials it is 5,035. Then we have calculated the probability of getting a head, and here we can see as the number of trials is increasing, the probability of getting a head is getting closer and closer to 0.5. Here in the graph also we can see that as the number of trials is increasing, the probability of getting a head is coming closer and closer to 0.5. These values of probability which we have obtained here are called as experimental values of probability, and 0.5 is the theoretical value. We know that when we toss a coin, only 2 possibilities are there. Either we can have a head or a tail. So theoretical value of getting a head on a toss of coin is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. And we can see here as the number of trial increases, the experimental value of probability approaches the theoretical value of probability, that is 0.5. Let's summarize what we have learned in this video. These are the points which we have learned in this video, and the most important point being probability of an event being 0.5 does not necessarily mean that event will occur n times over 2n trials.